Distracted driving, it just doesn't seem to go away. Now, is it more of a teen thing, or do we discriminate the ages here?
Well, as far as distracted driving, no, I don't think that really has an age limit. It's, you know, I tell you, I tell this story all the time, but you can go to any red light, and as you're sitting there and watching the cars pass you that are heading the opposite direction, you know, it's safe to say that 50 or 60% of those people are looking either down at their phone, either dialing a number, or they're texting or what have you. And that has been really the biggest cause of automobile accidents to increase over the last couple of years is distracted driving, but also especially with teens. And you'll see there, they've broken it down recently, you know, talking or attending to other passengers, 15% of all crashes, talking, texting, or operating a cell phone, 12%. And then attending to or looking at something inside like radio or what have you, 11%. That is 38% right there. If you add those numbers together, 38% of all accidents that are caused by distracted driving. And I would argue that second point there, 12% of all crashes, texting and all that, I think that is much, much higher. Some reports state that depending on, or not depending on any age, whether you're a teen or whether you're an adult, it is somewhere in the 20–25% range of all accidents. Now we see it on a daily basis. New cases that we get at the firm where it's clear that the other person had been texting or doing something. You know, I had one person tell me, "Well, I wasn't texting. I was just actually responding to an email." Well, it's the same thing.
You're on your phone. And
if you take your eyes off the road for 5 seconds, if you're going 55 miles an hour, the average time that most people look down at their phone is 5 seconds. Then in that 5 seconds, your car is going to travel the length of a football field, 100 yards, and you never know what's going to happen.